Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other questions regarding some legal concerns that impact you or your household. And for this week's edition, I thought I'd just share something personal with you. Over the last 4 weeks or so, those in my circle of family, friends, and clients, I've lost 4 people. And so, when even though they impacted different family units that weren't necessarily related to each other, they all impacted me in some form or fashion. Some have been friends of the family for over a decade. One was a relatively new client that fortunately we were able to get his estate plan done beforehand. But in all of those scenarios, in every situation, it just kind of brings everything home for me and why I do what I do and why I try to do these videos and educate the general public about some of these things. Is that that underlying theme is we don't know when it's our time to go. We just don't. Now, in some of those situations, there were illnesses involved, ongoing illnesses involved, where you kind of know that time is coming sooner versus later. And then on the other hand, there was one that was completely unexpected. And so regardless of what side of that line we're on, we don't know that day, that time when it's our time to just leave this earth. And so I say it just about every time I post a video, but I'll say it again and I'll keep saying it, that it's better to have a plan in place versus not. And when you don't have a plan in place, that means those that are left behind to pick up the pieces have to figure out a starting point. And that is not an easy thing to do. So with that said, it's short and sweet. I'll leave you with that thought. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.